Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hello guys, this is How to Solve, and now I am going to teach you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp 2023. Now, the first thing to do is to open your Play Store and search for an application called WAMR. Click install and let's just wait. Now click open. Click accept. So just enable this. And click allow notification access. So with this application will have the access to your phone. Alright, let's just scroll and then enable the WhatsApp. So because this is the app that you want to see the messages removed, right? Okay, so we will just keep scrolling and then enable and then scroll. So now we click this allow. So after enabling everything in this application called WAMR, then we should check out how it works. Okay, so once we click here, then we choose the WhatsApp, and then now we will see the deleted messages. So I sent myself messages from my other account. This is my other account. So I just sent a message to my account, and you can see it here in the WAMR app. So that's just how it works, and that's how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp 2023.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.